My submersible LED lights for the pool came today, and I thought I'd show you how to put them together and what is in the kit. Very first thing you're going to need that you have to add to it is 6 of these A batteries. Now I put this one all together along with the little plugs on the bottom. They do come with the plugs. I'll show you how to put that together, and the heavier plates, if you want them to float, you leave the plates out. If you want them to sink down and stay where you want them, keep them put, you're going to put the metal plates in. This is the control panel. It doesn't work without your little remote control. There's nothing on it to make it work without the remote control. So let's start first with getting this effective, because this is what runs everything. This is your little panel, and it has all the lights. There are various speeds of flashing or not flashing or steady. Pull this out and it will activate or allow the battery in the back to make this work. Okay, so I have one ready to go. Let's turn it on and see what we get. Okay, this is the one that I have ready to go. I'm going to show you all the colors. Isn't that pretty? Look at that. Okay, that's the flashing. I'm going to hit smooth, so it means steady, right? And change the colors. Red, green, blue, and variations thereof. There's yellow. There's a pale blue. You can see that's like fairy lights. That's really, really pretty. They do have all different kinds of controls in here. You can just mess with it. There's a fade. There's time on, time off. Everything's right here. It's just a matter of sitting here when you get it and start pressing buttons until you get what you want. So I'm going to turn it off right now and show you how to put this one together. This is the way it's going to come in the package. You're going to want to unscrew this. It's so simple to put together. Put your batteries in. Whenever you have a little spring, that's usually the bottom of the battery. And so you're going to put the bottom of the battery in this way and just slide it sideways. 1, 2, and 3. And for me, I buy the Amazon batteries. I have a pack off them all the time, so I've always got something to work with. So your batteries are all installed. Now, if you're putting it in the pool and you want it a little bit heavier, this is where you're going to take your weight and stick it right there. I want mine to float, so I'm going to take this out. And the other thing you can do, put this on, this one's good to go, is do you see all the little suction things I have? That's good for the side of the pool. And all you have to do to put those on is take this, push into the hole, and pull it forward up the slout. See, you're going to put it in there and then push it. So I'm going to put it in the hole and slide her sideways. Put it in the hole and slide her sideways. You can see very quickly you'll be ready to go, good to go. Now we have both of them all set up. Their batteries are in. The only thing we don't have is the weights, because at this time I'm not using them for the weights. And yes, they will float. So